Corbin needs a snack break.
Good?
Are you serious?
Hi, Corbin.
I ordered off of Amazon a new fan, and we're gonna change out that little computer fan that's in our bathroom with this new Maxx fan Deluxe. So we're gonna go in here and see if we can swap it out. I started to pull the screws out, and I was like, you know what, let's video this. Somebody might be interested in it. So anyway, this is the fan, the little computer fan basically. So I started pulling the screws out, and we're gonna see what it looks like. So let's see. Alright, we got the cover. So it's basically just a thick cover that goes on the inside. Set that down. I'll dirty everything up so my wife can be mad at me. And then you got your wires here. I believe the black's probably going to be the hot, I'd imagine. So when we kill the power to the camper, we'll undo those, and I'll go up top and see about taking the top off. But alright, so before I get on the roof and start seeing what that end looks like, let's take this out the box and I guess take up what I need, and we'll figure that out. I don't know.
It's an unboxing video.
I don't have a plan on how I'm doing this. I'm just doing it. We're gonna figure it out together.
What is it that we are doing?
Putting a hole in the roof.
We are replacing our master bathroom vent fan.
I already said that.
Oh, that's right. I wasn't around.
Yeah, I already showed them pulling the cap down.
Excuse me.
Inside.
Excuse me.
So.
Dad, can I help you?
I guess you
Go
can.
on the roof and do other things?
Sure, why not?
Okay.
You want to get up there and take care of it for me?
I can't
Notice
do it. I barely know what to do by myself.
Enclosed in the square tube.
Yeah.
Got it.
They can't hear me with him talking.
I wonder what that would look like when Dad opened that.
We were just so curious about it, huh?
Yeah.
Put that in this trash. Alright.
We can burn that.
Screws.
Oh, we can burn that.
Butt connectors. Instructions.
That's not going to get opened yet.
Oh, let's see.
Oh, it's big.
Fan. In the fan. Yeah. This is all trash.
Don't do this at home. Train professional.
This is our home.
More cardboard. Another big box.
Dude.
Caught it! Maybe I didn't.
That's okay.
Might have to turn the video off just in case we get back. Alright, so this thing's a lot heavier than it looks.
Yeah. What's the remote control?
I don't think we got the remote control one, dude.
Right, so that's the bottom piece.
Lordy.
That goes inside. And then here's the piece that'll go up top.
Bless you.
Alright, so this is what it looks like from the top. It's open a little bit, but you got the self-leveling stuff. So I'm going to pull that off and then check out the screws. And when I get to pulling the screws out, I'll have Brittany go and turn the breaker off to the camper, and I'll kill the power. So now that she's figured out how to work the camera again.
Shush.
It's been that long since we videoed. We got most of the caulking or self-leveling lap sealing, I guess, whatever you want to call it, off the metal so I can get to the screws. But this is kind of how we've been getting it off. You want to show on this side? Just kind of been peeling it back with our fingers. Use my nails a little bit, but
And you don't have fingerprints when you're done,
No.
so that's a plus.
you'll be good. You can go and take what you want from the convenience store or whatever. But basically you're just gonna have to peel it up. They may make something that's easier to use, but this has been fairly quick, and with 3 of us, because Corbin's been helping a little bit. Just about got it all up. So anyway, I wanted to show you the easiest way we found to do it so far. If you found an easier way, then
You were smarter than
good
us.
for you. So we're gonna have Brittany go down and kill the power here in a second, and then I'll unscrew most of these, and then we'll crank the video up and let you see us pull it off for the first time. Alright, I had to figure out how to use the camera. Alright, so I took the cover itself off. It made it easier to get these screws out. It actually just slides right into the little grooves here, so you lift it open and you can slide it out and all of that good stuff. But anyway, we took the cover off. I haven't lifted this up yet. All I did was pull all the screws out, so let's see if it'll come up without having to use some
outbreak and pulling the roof
Ooh.
like that.
Ooh, that's making me nervous. Hey, move your big head out the way.
Let's see here.
Corbin, sit please.
So they did right and put the butyl tape under it.
Oh my god. If you put a hole in our roof.
There is a hole in the roof. What do you
More
think?
holes in the roof. Bigger holes.
There's a bunch. Look, see all those screw holes?
Why don't you just focus? Hashtag quarantine is not good
Oh.
for marriages.
It sticks to your fingers, so that doesn't feel too good.
Dad, it's metal.
Quarantine's not good for the pocketbook.
Dad, it's metal on rubber.
Yes, sir.
So why?
Mm.
Just being a
Oh,
dodo.
it don't come up easy, that's for sure.
I love how every step of this takes a lot longer than you anticipated.
I don't know what you're talking about.
Dad, get your knife and cut that. Ching.
Could, but I don't want to cut the top, baby. Ooh.
Oh my goodness.
Somebody put too much bubble gum under here.
Yeah.
Oh goodness.
You're gonna rip one of those wires out and it's not gonna be good.
How about you let me handle this? What you think about them apples?
Oh!
Does it look like gum?
No.
Ew. Yay.
Look, perfect. Now we can do a swan dive right into the
Sweet.
bathroom toilet.
It'd be like put a fireman's pole.
Alright, so we got the power off completely. So I'm gonna
You know
undo these
what? I
wires
can slide in there.
and then make sure I don't lose them, so I can figure out what's what and get them hooked up to the new one. So I'm gonna take these apart, try to get all this butyl tape off, and then
Dad!
we're gonna attempt to put the new one in.
Dad, you are horrible at this.
Why?
Thank you. Appreciate that. You good?
Are you serious?
Hi, Corbin.
Careful. Alright, so we got just about everything up. There's still some butyl tape left down. It's still real sticky, so I'm gonna leave that down. And we're gonna stick some more to it. So I'm putting some on here.
You ordered the butyl tape off of Amazon,
Roger.
as well as the vent,
Yeah.
the Maxx fan.
Yeah. So I'm gonna put butyl tape all over this, and then we'll stick it down.
Great.
Looks just like a giant roll of sticky tack.
Basically, huh?
It's just not blue like teacher sticky tack.
Great.
Corbin's very excited about this project.
Yep.
Hey, you know what?
What?
The worst part about this
What?
is Dad pulled the whole vent off and made a hole in the roof.
That's the worst because you got to go down it and back up it. I think that's the best part.
That's, well, him putting me down is like,
You're a little scared.
exhausting
Exhausting for you or for Dad?
for Dad.
Alright, so I got the screws
I was
separated.
like, are you kidding?
So there's 4 screws that are going to go in the side of this piece of plastic once I put it down to mount it to the actual fan. And then there's 4 that go inside to hold up the bottom section, and the rest of them go around the outside.
First time, got it on, and it's the right way.
All right, so we got it all screwed down. I got the butyl tape that's squeezed out removed. Before I caulk the whole top, I'm going to flip this over. We're gonna hook the power up to it, turn it back on, make sure the fan works, which I probably should have done that before I removed the other one all the way. But we're gonna make sure everything works with it and it's hooked up properly, and then I'll go ahead and screw it down. But you got these 4 pieces here, so you slide it down over the top, you screw it into it. There's a gasket down in here, and then the inside screws into the bottom of it, so it all holds itself together. But we're going to test it out real fast and go from there.
Yay.
Hey! Power!
Yay! That looks so powerful. Oh my gosh. Hey now.
All right. So we know it works.
I think the wires are supposed to go in this corner.
That's what I'm about to do, honey.
Look at that. We work so great together.
Sometimes. Only when we're not parenting.
Jeez.
All right then.
Got a friend.
Hey.
Look at our pretty little van. It stays up like that all the time?
No.
Oh,
You
okay.
can leave it up as long as you want.
Oh, yeah, that's right.
Alright, sweet dude. Alright, let's
Okay, and we screw her in.
we gotta screw her down. Okay, so I was testing the fit here. Everything looks good. So basically what I did was we fed the wires down through that little corner. They give you a little notch. I screwed my 4 sides in up there for the fan to sit. And then I tucked my wires back into the wall here. My butt connectors are all good. So you can double check those, but the connectors are all good. Matter of fact, you never hurts to check them another time. There, that one's together. That one's together. Alright, they in the bowl. Alright, and we'll match up with the same screw holes we had before. So
Hopefully.
they do. It's pretty close. That's why I dummy fitted it a minute ago before we started the camera. All right.
It works.
I don't know if you can see it, but it's blowing my hair.
No.
Anyway, it's putting out a good bit of air, so that'll work. And if you want to reverse it, you just hit your reverse button. It's got 10 speeds. I don't remember how many blade fan, but hey,
A lot.
it's good. So I'm gonna go upstairs and put the die core over everything and let it self-level, and that'll be it. Sweet. If you like this video, subscribe. You might get to see Brittany's face again. Anyway,
Jeez.
we'll see you later.